Welcome to Simplistic Shifts for Kids. Have you ever felt overwhelmed or upset? We all have moments when we need peace. Today, we'll learn how to create peaceful moments. First, find your favorite cozy spot. It could be a room, a garden, or a special chair. Next, take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, then slowly let it out. Feel your body relax as you breathe out. Now let's use our imagination. Picture a beautiful place, like a beach or a calm forest. Imagine the sounds, the colors, and the smells. This brings you peace and happiness. Another method is to listen to gentle music. Choose soothing tunes that make you feel good. Close your eyes and let the rhythm calm you down. You can also try stretching your body gently. Stretch your legs, stretch your arms. This helps release tension and brings calmness. Let's not forget about kindness to ourselves. Say something nice about yourself. Remember, you're unique and amazing. In summary, peaceful moments are easy to create. Find your cozy spot, breathe, imagine, listen, and stretch. You can bring calmness into your day. Now it's your turn. Find a peaceful spot today. Share your experience with a friend or family member. And remember, stay peaceful. Please like, subscribe, and share. We appreciate you. Simplistic Shifts for Kids, where learning meets play, the simplistic way.